Hey everyone, Dan Sfera back from theclinicaltrialsguru.com. I wanted to do a follow-up video on the fantastic interview I did today with Melissa Easy from drugdev.org. Basically, and it was a great interview. I'm going to have links to it right here if you missed it, but it was a fantastic interview, but some parts in the middle got choppy. Skype is not always reliable as it should be and as we like it to be. But basically, let me give you some background. There's this unofficial collaboration with 10, it started in Europe, 10 European drug companies that decided that instead of holding on to their data and their sites that they've been working with, they're willing to share with the other members of what's called the Transcelerate, which is again like the unofficial, or maybe they're an official alliance between these 10 European drug companies, and they probably include some US drug companies. So the idea is that if I'm a drug company and I share the research clinics that I utilize with you, another drug company, we'll both have faster clinical trial startup times. Furthermore, if I have data and information on when my research clinics completed their GCP training and other kind of trainings like that, we can eliminate a lot of the redundant trainings that are currently being done for clinical trial startups. And I've written about this a lot, but basically right now, any clinical trial that starts up, you got to do GCP training for that study. And that's about to change, and Melissa's company, drugdev.org, is going to play a big part in that. So right now it's completely free, and it's going to continue to be free for research clinics to post their information on there. They earn their money from the drug companies that are going to pay to have access to this data. You're going to enter everything, your site demographics, basic contact information, PI name, things like that. And then the drug companies are going to share that information with each other, at least these 10 drug companies from Transcelerate. And furthermore, I'm really glad I interviewed Melissa, because I realized that it goes a step further than just site selection. Okay, they're actually going to get into feasibility. So once you're selected for a study, you're going to do the feasibility survey to see if you really can do the study that you're looking at doing. So this is great, and it's free. You need to check it out, drugdev.org. I've been telling everybody I know. And happy Thanksgiving to all the Clinical Trial Guru producers. Sarah Elizabeth Siegler, Resolve Research Solutions, Accurate Clinical Trials, Erdhart Clinical Trials, PTNR, Patrick Stone, FDA Lawyers, South Coast Clinical Trials, Breakthrough Clinical Trials, Biopharm Systems, and I think that's about it. Thank you very much. Dan from theclinicaltrialsguru.com. Take care.